Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the Balisong Bar Ninja. Bruce Lee would have been proud to open a bottle with one of these. Crafted from stainless steel and aluminum, the Balisong Bar Ninja is a lightweight Butterfy style bottle opener. The handles are constructed of injected molded aluminum, while the opener claw is of 303 FDA approved stainless steel. It's suitable for performing all the same tricks that the knife can, but minus all the stitches to the fingers. This is the ultimate Balisong Butterfly trainer. It's a trainer with a purpose. After you've done all your sweet-ass tricks with this, you can open a beer. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com